So I finally got the DC inverter wired up and running now. I know the last time you probably seen the video, I had that green light flashing. Come to find out, one of the wires came loose on it and wasn't making any connection whatsoever. And I know you guys are gonna be screaming at my little wiring. I don't have it finished just yet. But basically, when I added the ambient lighting system, I added this wiring harness here that had the ambient lighting to the back and the power inverter connector. So all I just had to do, basically, I couldn't find tried to wire it up pretty much factory where I can just add the terminal into this connector there and call it good. But anyways, I just looked at the wiring diagram, spliced to the hot wire, the ground, the two LEDs. Then also you'll have two connections. One I plugged there, there's a wiring harness here that's for the LIN bus. Then you have another wiring harness that runs to the BCM, which obviously you won't see it, for the, I guess, the little switch for it to turn on and off. And there, I know you guys are screaming. This is just testing it out to make sure I got it all working. But your power wire, it takes 40 amps. So come to find out, over here, you'll have a connection that is specifically for the inverter. So add power wire to there. I got my ground to the frame of the car. I got my LED light wires to here, a hot and neutral wire here, my LIN bus and another LIN connection for the BCM. And so far it is working. So that's what ended up the last video, that little green light that you seen flashing. That was because one of my wires came undone and it's seeing a fault. The car is seeing a fault, or the power inverter is seeing a fault and protecting itself from messing anything else up on it.